Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sticker with your name. So I'm just going to go to elements here and I'm just going to find some cute elements. I'm just going to use a bow because I love bows. Well, you can obviously use like a character if you'd like to, but I'm just going to use this. And I'm just going to type in Nina because that's my name. And I'm going to try to find a font that I like. I'll just use this one or something like a script font maybe. Something like that. I actually don't like this font. Let me just change it real quick. Okay, you know what? Let's just use this one. And I'm going to select a color from like the bow here. And I'm just going to like place it on top like so. Then I am going to add in elements and I'll add in the like square background. Let me just change the color of the background first so I can see it. I'm going to color it a white color. And I'm going to place it like here, but behind. Whoops, I keep pressing print. It's happening again. Place it underneath like so. And I'm going to go to the corner around in here as well. I'm actually going to choose a different color for this. And I'll make the text white actually. Let me just change the background a little bit so I can see it. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to export this first like as a PNG. Let me just make this a little bit closer to each other. And make sure to select transparent background. Then I'm going to place it here. Let's delete that. And then I'm going to edit image and I'm going to add in an outline. So go to shadows, then select outline and select the white color for sticker. Then I'll change the background for the final reveal. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.